Hi, simpliRP has unique feature of planning for renewals like ISO, insurance, digital signature and so on. In the customer reports, go to list of companies. There is a link for create renewal plans, click that. In that, you can create renewal plan as shown. Here you can pinpoint responsibility on a particular person for that. Also the party and the fund required for that. You can mention in the notes, what is the renewal to be done. There is a top link for renewal plan report. Click that. Here, you can see what are all upcoming renewals between the selected date range. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your organization. Thank you.